Welcome to MTG's YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to avail MTG Fingertips Achiever Package free of cost with purchase of MTG's Objective NCERT at your fingertips. To avail MTG Fingertips Achiever Package for free, we have to scratch and use this coupon code. Now simply scan the QR code inside the book, which will direct you to this page. In case the QR code doesn't work, simply type this link on the browser and it will redirect you to this page. Now, add this product to the cart, go to View Cart and apply the previously scratched coupon code here. After successfully applying the coupon code, the amount to be paid on this will reflect as 0. Make sure that the quantity here is only 1. Now click on Proceed to Checkout. Log in to your account. If you don't have an account, then register yourself first. Now place your order. After this, new customers will receive an order confirmation mail like this. And within 24 working hours of purchase, they will receive an activation email with their login ID and password. Use this login ID and password to log in yourself on www.pcmbtoday.com. Existing users will not receive any email. They just have to log in with their previous credentials of existing account. Here on the My Course section, you will get your package. Click here and you can attempt the test. All the tests are one-time attempt only, meaning after attempting one test, you cannot attempt it later. Also remember, this is a digital product, meaning it will not be shipped to your address in a physical form. If there is any issue or query, please contact us at info@mtg.in.